I believe that sharing great food with friends is one of life's great joys.
So just crunch those through and you've got the soft, that lovely fruit in there, the whipped cream, and now we've got a little crunch. And you see our mouths just love this sort of thing.
Today I'm going to make for you guys a delicious zesty raw lemon slice, so let's get started.
Add whatever flavours and ingredients you want, you're good to go. Into the oven with this one.
The secret here is you want your charcoals as hot as you can. Basically you want these guys to catch, so you want some gnarly dark burn bits.
If you can handle it, then you can go that little bit over the edge. Add half a cup more of buttermilk. Makes the most luscious, luscious scone.
And there we go, ready to eat, which is what I'm going to do now. It's still very hot.